Hello everyone, how are you? And I'm hoping you all are fine. Like every day, I'm bringing something new for you. Once again, I am in front of you today with my new video. And today, I have brought for you a very small and very important structure. And structure is written on the board. Today, our chapter is apostrophe S. You must have heard this word while making sentences, while your teacher teaching, but you might not have seen the English this way. That apostrophe that we have seen in this way, the spelling of apostrophe S is this. So apostrophe S appears like this. And in this chapter, if anything is understandable and very very important to understand, which is this chin, this this chin, I can say low chin. Low chin. In Hindi, this is called low chin. So today the chapter is all about this only chin, and low chin. And very important meaning this chin is having. Look at that. The Hindi meaning of this chin is ka, ki and ke, which will play a vital role to make sentences in English. And I want to just brief you. I would like to give you a briefing how this chapter functions. Actually, apostrophe, which means to show ownership, that means to show possession, which means मालिकाना हक दिखाना या किसी चीज़ पर अपना अधिकार बताना या मालिकाना हक बताना. So for showing मालिकाना हक, there are three Hindi letters which will play crucial role, important role while making sentences. I would like to show you with some examples. Like राम का भाई, अजय की बहन, एंड राजू के पापा. Look at it, how do I translate it? I'm going to translate it and see that you all see how these three words will play vital role. Ram ka bhai at first, like Ram's brother. Next, Ajay's sister, and Raju's father. Look at that. Ram's father, see this chin, is apostrophe S. This is bringing special meaning. If I remove this Ram brother, it looks that there is a brother, his name is Ram. Ram brother, Ram bhai. The meaning is a bit different. But we don't need Ram bhai. We need Ram's brother, yani Ram ka bhai. You can see here, Ram's brother, Ajay's sister, or Raju's father. These three sentences I have made as far as apostrophe chapter is concerned. Now I want to tell you one more thing. Ki same chapter we can use as far as preposition is concerned. Like, have you just take what do you call it, snap of it, and I'm going to clean it. So Ram ka bhai, Ram's brother, Ajay's bahan, Ajay's sister, and Raju's father means Raju ke papa. Now I am cleaning it. Now same thing, like same Hindi with preposition preposition, preposition. Here the preposition is of. Of is a preposition, and this can also be used as far as apostrophe is concerned with slightly changes. Like earlier was Ram's brother, and now it is brother of Ram. It means I have eliminated apostrophe s and I have used of in place of apostrophe s. Similarly here, sister of Ajay. Earlier was Ajay's sister. Now eliminated apostrophe s and I have used of. So sisters of Ajay. Last but not the least, father of Raju. Earlier was Raju's father. So now father of Raju. So at last I want to tell you that while making sentences, you can use one of them. Both are correct. Whichever you feel like using, you can use it. And one more thing very important, I forgot to tell you. You might have seen earlier I wrote Ram's. Earlier I wrote Ram's brother. So when I wrote Ram's brother, when I converted, when I changed into of, then I made this B capital, but it should be, when I made B capital, the Ram should be small, and R should be small, but R is not small. There is a reason behind it. Actually, Ram is a proper noun, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, और किसी भी व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा का पहला लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल रहता है, चाहे वो बिगिनिंग में स्मॉल हो, चाहे वो मिडिल में स्मॉल हो, चाहे वो एंड में स्मॉल हो. दैट इज वाई राम जो पहला लेटर आर है वो बिगिनिंग में भी कैपिटल था और एंड में भी कैपिटल था, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द नाउन के साथ ऐसा नहीं. बाकी नाउनों के जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो बिगिनिंग में कैपिटल रहेंगे, बट मिडिल और एंड में वो स्मॉल लेटर हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द chapter is all about. So now I would like to finish my video and I will come to you with my new video. So keep watching my channel. Goodbye. See you next time.